All right. Next we'll be doing what? Next we'll be seeing drill downs and hierarchies. Next we'll be seeing what? We'll be seeing drill down and hierarchies. So how to create that? Let us have a look at it. So this is what? This is category. All right. This is what? This is subcategory. And let us drop sales into columns. So we got what? We got, let us sort it. All right. So we got what? We got, and we can do what? We can put the sales in the text. All right. So it will do what? It will show what sales are there. We just dragged and dropped the sales in the text. All right. So this is what it is. All right. So we can see like this. Let us clear this. All right. Now we'll talk about what? We'll talk about drill down and hierarchies. So let me do what we just plotted category and subcategories sales. Just a second. We just did what? We just plotted subcategory and category sales. All right. Let us remove this. Next, so what we'll do is that we are talking about what? We are talking about hierarchies. All right. So we'll take the subcategory. Just listen completely first. Take the subcategory and drop it into a category. All right. So what did we do? Let us see once again. We took this subcategory, dragged and dropped it into category. All right. So it is what it is says. Create a hierarchy. Create what? Create a hierarchy. So hierarchy, what? Category, subcategory. Let us click OK. So here it has done what? It has created a hierarchy. Now if we do what? If we drop this into, let's say, columns. All right. And if we drop the sales into this, so it will show me what? It will show me. See, it is a plus over here. It is what? It is shown what? It is shown as a plus over here. Now this is drill down option. This is what option? This is a drill down option. And so we created a hierarchy. Now this is what? This is a drill down option. We'll do what? We'll click on this drill down and automatically it will do what? Automatically a subcategory will be created. Automatically what? Automatically a subcategory will be created. We can do what? We can sort this. All right. We can sort this like this. All right. Or we can simply clear sort and make it look like what? Make it look like the original data that it had. So this is how we create hierarchy. Let us have one. And if you want to remove hierarchy, all right, sorry, we'll do what? We'll basically remove, right click it or click on this drop down and remove hierarchy. So you can see category, subcategory are back. All right. So this is what it is. All right. Let us take once more another example. All right, take category, drop it into subcategory, name it, है ना? And drop it over here and drop sales over here. Click on the drill down and automatically your spreadsheet your visualization will be created. That's how we make hierarchy. All right. So this is what it is. Next we'll do what? Next we'll basically create another hierarchy. All right. So category, let's say subcategory. Drop it over here and name it what? Name it products. Products. Right. Let us take what? Let us take product name and drop it into products. So we have what we have. Now hierarchy looks like this, है ना? This looks like a decision tree, है ना? Root node followed by the child node. है ना? This data type looks like what? Decision tree. Next we'll do what? We'll take this products, drop it into column. All right. Drop it into sales. All right. Click on the drill down subcategory. Click on the drill down product name. Now it is showing what? It is showing product name. All right. So this is what it is. And technology, Lexmark, and we can see what? We can see the product name. Sales according to the product name. So we can see that Cisco telepresence systems EX90 were sold. Let us check what quantity they were sold. And we'll do what? We'll direct sum of quantity into what? Into tooltip. All right, as you can see, 6 was sold for 22,638. Let us check the profit by dropping it in tooltip. The profit is nothing but loss, minus 1811. Minus 1811. All right, so this is what it is. This is how we create what we create a hierarchy. All right, let us remove the hierarchy. So the category, product name, and ID are back. Oh, sorry, per category, subcategory, product name are back. Right, I hope I'm clear. Very simple procedure. Very simple, too simple. All right. So I hope you're clear with hierarchy.